And we're now getting some breaking news. Congress MP insults Operation Sindoor. Congress MP Shinde says Operation Sindoor government's media tamasha. The Congress MP says that the name Operation Sindoor sounds patriotic, but in reality, it was just a spectacle of the government in the media. No one is telling what was achieved in this operation, how many terrorists were caught, how many of our fighter jets were shot down, and who is responsible. Whose fault is it? It is the responsibility of the government to answer this, but there is a ban on asking questions in the country. This is what Congress MP Shinde has said while insulting Operation Sindoor.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर नाम सुनने में देशभक्ति का लगता है, लेकिन असल में ये सिर्फ मीडिया पर किया सरकार का एक तमाशा था। कोई नहीं बता रहा है कि इस ऑपरेशन में हासिल क्या हुआ, कितने आतंकी पकड़े गए, हमारे कितने फाइटर जेट्स गिराए गए, कौन जिम्मेदार है, कौन किसकी गलती है। इसका हिसाब देने का दायित्व इस सरकार का है, मगर देश में सवाल पूछने पर ही पाबंदी है, क्योंकि ये सरकार सवाल सुनना ही नहीं चाहती है, बल्कि ये सरकार जवाबदेही से ही भागती है।
And my colleague Rahul Gautam is now joining us with more details. Rahul, the opposition has now gone one step further with not just questioning Operation Sindoor, but also insulting, calling it a government tamasha.
Well, absolutely. This can aptly described as a self-goal by Congress party, wherein Sholapur MP Praniti Shinde has called Operation Sindoor, which in fact, remember, has already been endorsed and applauded by Congress CWC as a spectacle. And in fact, she went on to say that although the name sounds very patriotic, the government has not been able to tell us that what really has been achieved via Operation Sindoor. Now, this goes, absolutely against the line and the stance that has already been taken by the Congress party. And you can expect that this is certainly going to give an apt opportunity for BJP also to hit back at Congress party. And clearly is going to become a major flashpoint today in both houses of the parliament. We also must understand that, BJP has always been critical of Sushil Kumar Shinde also, the father of Praniti Shinde. So clearly, you can expect that all this would be getting accumulated, and the BJP would be hitting hard at Congress party today because of the fact that this is certainly going to cause embarrassment for Congress, and expect that the party would be distancing itself from these remarks, because the party clearly know that these remarks are certainly going to cause electoral damage to Congress party and going to put them in a really, really tight spot.
Right, Rahul, thank you so much for all those details and for that context. Let's once again listen into what Congress MP Praniti Shinde said on Operation Sindoor.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर नाम सुनने में देशभक्ति का लगता है, लेकिन असल में ये सिर्फ मीडिया पर किया सरकार का एक तमाशा था। कोई नहीं बता रहा है कि इस ऑपरेशन में हासिल क्या हुआ, कितने आतंकी पकड़े गए, हमारे कितने फाइटर जेट्स गिराए गए, कौन जिम्मेदार है, कौन किसकी गलती है। इसका हिसाब देने का दायित्व इस सरकार का है, मगर देश में सवाल पूछने पर ही पाबंदी है, क्योंकि ये सरकार सवाल सुनना ही नहीं चाहती है, बल्कि ये सरकार जवाबदेही से ही भागती है।